Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. Today's guide video is based on how to unblock people on TikTok application. Now before we begin, make sure that you're well connected with the internet service and also make sure to update your TikTok application to the latest version. Now let us get started. Now first of all, open your TikTok application. So once you open TikTok, the interface looks something like this. Now on this following page, tap on the profile icon which is on the lower right corner, right at the bottom. So next on the profile page, what you have to do is you simply have to tap on the try bar icon or the 3- icon which is on the upper right corner, right on top. So as soon as you tap on the try bar icon, down there you can see two different options. So from here you need to tap on settings and privacy. So next on the other page you will land inside the detail about settings and privacy. So under it you can see account, and under account you can see a list of different options. So on the second option there is privacy. So then tap on privacy. So on the other page you'll have the info about privacy. So on this following page, all you have to do is you have to scroll down right to the bottom. And right in the bottom on the second last option, there you can see blocked account. Simply tap on it. Now as soon as you tap on blocked account, on the other page you'll have a list of accounts that you've blocked. Now in order to unblock this certain person, there's just one simple step. All you have to do is simply tap on the unblock icon which is right in the corner. Now here you can see that this certain person has been unblocked. Now you'll be able to receive an update from this person. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.